Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
We are fantastic. And what about you?
I am great as usual.
Uh,
So,
okay, and now please introduce yourself at first.
okay. So, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to have introduction. So, my name is Arun Kumar. Basically, I am from India, your neighbor country, and uh, by profession, I'm an English teacher, and I'm running a YouTube channel as well, name called Learning English with AK. So there I just upload English conversational videos. And if I talk about my hobbies, so yeah, of course, loving. I love to play guitar, singing, listening music, playing means traveling. So this is my hobbies. These are my hobbies. So thank you so much. That's a little bit about.
May we introduce ourselves?
Yeah, please introduce yourself.
Okay, this is Muwaj Masud speaking in front of you, and with me, my sister Maliha binti Masud. We are siblings and twins, baby. We are from Dinajpur district, from Bangladesh, and we study same class 7. Actually, if I tell you the hobby of myself, that is, I like most for blogging and
Oh,
blogging.
what blogging? Okay, all
Okay,
right.
and this actually making conversation with a stranger and traveling. These are my hobby actually.
Okay. Both for both these hobbies.
We are siblings.
Yeah, I know you are siblings. So, what are your hobbies? So, same goes with her.
Okay, what's your hobby?
My hobby is uh, study.
Studying. Okay. So, you like to study, right?
Definitely, I like study.
Okay. So, in seventh standard, you are studying, right?
Right.
Okay. So, on which topic you would like to have this conversation or general conversation you want?
This topic.
Which topic actually the natural beauty of both of our country, what is happening nowadays in both of our country. Like this way, we want to make this conversation.
Okay. So, you go ahead first, please, and then I will tell you everything.
Okay, you are from Uttar Pradesh, right?
Yes, I am from Uttar Pradesh.
Which city?
City, district. If I talk about Bagpat, but I cannot tell my village name.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. Um, can you tell me, do you want to, have you visited any time in your life Taj Mahal?
Actually, in Agra, if I talk about, so I have gone several times, but I never visited Taj Mahal. But soon I will visit because it is my dream as well to go over there because since my childhood it was my dream that I would go to see the Taj Mahal. But I have visited several states, means many states, but I never visited the Taj Mahal. It is my bad luck. But yes, soon I will visit that.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Now I'm gonna ask you some questions about your family. Are you in?
Please ask.
Do you have any family?
Yeah, of course. We are five members in my family. Means, yeah, actually, I'm not married. There are five members. My father, mother, and my siblings. Means three siblings. We are my younger sister and younger brother. I'm the elder one in my siblings, and yeah, by profession,
Can
I'm
you can you tell me who earn money in your family?
my father and me.
Oh,
Actually, my father works in
what does your
father
father do?
My father works in government job, and I am I'm working as a private teacher in a school. So this is the earning source we just get.
Are your siblings students?
Yes, they are studying in. One means my sister is studying in. She is pursuing graduation, and my brother is continuing means 12th standard, right?
Are you eldest siblings among them?
Sorry, no. Only I'm the one who can speak English in my siblings, so cannot.
Okay, okay, that's great. Um, what does your mother do?
She is the owner of the house. She just takes care of the family and you know, the manager of the house.
Oh, I'm actually very interested that in your country, your mother is owner of your house,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
But in my country, father is the owner of our house.
I see. Because the house take cares means my mother takes cares of the house. She cooks food. She takes care of the family. She does means every necessary work at home. That's why I'm saying that my mother is the owner of my house.
Okay, okay. If I to talk to you about my parents, and so I have to talk that I have to tell you that my parents are educated person. The both of them are teacher. My father is a college teacher, and my mother is a government primary teacher.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Because yeah, of course, your father and mother both are illiterate. So that's why they are doing this kind of professional work. But mother is means she's passed eighth class, so that's why she cannot do the job, and we do not allow her to do the job as well because what kind of job we she will do? She doesn't need any kind of doing any kind of job because my father works, man, I work, so different kind of things.
Okay, if you don't mind, may I ask you one simple question?
Please ask.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married. I'm single.
Okay. When will you marry? Have you decided it?
No, actually, I have not decided. But yes, means I'm doing my one walk. So when it will be completed, so then I will do.
Uh, okay. Can you share with us your English journey?
Yeah, it started in 2012, honestly speaking, because then only I just got to know what is the importance of English, right? So what happened actually, I just went outside means in Delhi for doing job. So there, just got to know that what is English and what are the benefits and importance of the English, because everywhere when I used to go over there, so the interview in the interview they used to ask me that can you speak English or not? Are you able to speak English? So uh, problems I faced, and fortunately I just got the job that was in. So there I was just working and I was a Hindi medium student. I never learned English at that point of time. So one incident happened. It converted me to learn this beautiful language, and I just learned. And since 2012, I have been teaching this spoken English. You can say so means 11 years experience I have got for teaching.
11 years.
11 years, yeah.
Oh, so I can say you are a very expert in English, right?
Actually, yeah, I'm not saying that I'm perfect, but yes, I'm just improving my English as well now. But yes, since then I have been teaching, and yeah, this experience I gained.
Uh, okay. Can you tell me what is the capital city of India?
What is the?
Capital city,
Okay.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Which one is the biggest states of India?
In terms of area, if I talk
Yes.
about it, so according to the area, the Rajasthan state is there. This is the biggest and largest. And if we talk about the see assembly seats, right? So UP is there because there are the highest seats. So that's why I'm speaking. I'm not having the correct idea, but yes, this is the largest.
Okay, that's really very great for you. Can you tell me the natural beauty of your country?
Sorry.
Sorry for disturbing.
No issue, no issue. Yeah.
So let's go to the point.
Can
Please tell us something about the natural beauty of India.
national beauty, if I talk about, so see, let's talk about the monuments.
Especially sea beach.
Sea.
Yes.
Okay. So, uh, actually, I never visited sea, and I am so weak in GK. So, Hind Mahasagar is there, right? Hind Mahasagar is there, and Indian Ocean, right? Yeah, Indian Ocean, and the yeah. Actually, I have no idea so much that sea.
Okay, no problem. Can you speak Hindi?
Yeah, I can speak.
How many languages can you speak in?
See, two languages I can speak in Hindi and English, and Desi language is spoken in rural area, so I can speak that too.
Is Hindi is Hindi your mother language?
Yes, Hindi is my mother tongue.
Okay, from a cartoon, actually, Hindi cartoon, I have learned something about Hindi.
Okay, so do you watch Hindi cartoons?
I used to watch Hindi cartoon, but nowadays I'm not getting enough time to watch.
All right. So
Uh, from from these things, I have got that I have learned that we are learning English. We have already learned English. So if we don't practice more and more, we will forget this language anytime. So we have to keep in practicing.
absolutely, because practice is most important thing. If we are not going to practice, so definitely everything we can forget. So by practice, it is necessary, or means by the practice we can just improve our English speaking skills and fluency as well, right? And
Right.
consistency is also there. If you are not consistent, so that will be very difficult you to learn this beautiful language, or maybe fluent, be fluent in that, right?
I'm requesting to you, please give us some suggestion to learn English.
Yeah, actually, whatever we have talked, that punctuality, right? Consistency, these are the keys, and more and more you will speak, more and more results you will gain, right? So
Right.
by the speaking comes by speaking. You heard this line. So by speaking only, it will be possible you to be fluent in this language. In every language, if I talk about, so this is the only language. Just take it as a language, because there are some people they just take it as a subject. English is a subject we are learning, right? So they just are confused in grammar, that what kind of grammar portion they should complete so that they will be speaking fluent English. But learning grammar, the grammar, in the grammar they just get confused, that what kind of portion they should do, and learning grammar deeply, they just distract their way, that why they have what they have started and where they are going, right? So take it as a language, not as a subject, and practice continuously, and have the have the conversation with the different people, because whenever we just interact with people, different people, they share their ideas, you share your ideas. So means exchanging your ideas and knowledge. So it also helps you to build your confidence, your knowledge, your pronunciation, and your speaking part as well, right?
Right.
So this is the suggestion I would like to give you, and be regular, have practice like this, and enjoy this life, English life.
Okay, keep us in your prayer.
Sorry.
Please pray for us.
Actually, brother, I'm 100% sure, and I would pray to God as well, that you would be speaking this beautiful language as soon as possible, because you are doing a great job. You are having the session. You means siblings are there. You can talk with your sisters. Your sister can talk with you. So you have the environment as well, right? Environment is also very important because the in my videos comment sections there are so many people, they just send me the message that sir, we don't have an environment with whom we can talk, just please give a suggestion, right? So this is also very important that if you have environment, that is completely fine, but if you don't have environment, you can talk with yourself, start
Yes,
talking with you,
I think
right?
you are right. We need environment, enough environment.
Yeah, and monologue, that is called monologue as well. So monologue you have with yourself while you're doing your work, you're cooking, you're dancing. Means every work which is done by you, you can just speak English. Do that work in English and think in English about, right? And only you can just indulge yourself into English environment, and this English language can be spoken by you easily.
I think we are so actually lucky because we are two siblings and twins. We can make conversation anytime I'm in a holiday.
Absolutely, absolutely, because the environment is very important. If you have no environment, means with whom you can just talk, but you are the sibling, and you can talk with each other. So that is the, yeah, you can say God gift which you have got, right?
Okay, we have talked much together, so I think we should
It
finish
is
up
going very long.
this
We have to
conversation
finish our
right now.
conversation.
Okay, so thank you so much for approaching me this beautiful session, and you are so beautiful sibling, and you are so intelligent.
If you
I'm so
try, when you will be free in a week, we you inform us. We will try.
actually, see, one thing I would like to give you. I have got group in there. There are 180 people. They speak English. So I can add you in that group. You can talk with them as well. So don't worry. That is completely fine with you.
Yes, but how will I get them?
See, like you have connected me, you have contacted me. So in
Yeah.
group you are, you can just send the message whenever you are free that who is free. So whoever will be free at that point of time, he can contact with you. He can have a discussion.
Thank you for taking our simple request.
My pleasure. My pleasure. So, okay, thank you so much for having this beautiful session. And thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Good evening.
Good evening. Bye bye.